Attention! If you or someone you know has been affected by the toxic water at Camp Lejeune, this message is for you. Many law firms say that they can help you with your toxic water claim, but there's only one law firm that's been getting Camp Lejeune clients money since 2023, AVA Law Group, a firm dedicated to getting you the justice and compensation you deserve right now. Don't delay. Call 1-800-777-4141 right now. That's 1-800-777-4141. The Camp Lejeune Justice Act allows certain individuals to be compensated for harm from exposure to contaminated water at Camp Lejeune in North Carolina. Anyone exposed to this water from August 1, 1953 through December 31, 1987 for at least 30 days can file for financial compensation. Family members of victims who have passed are also eligible to file. The following message is designed to help you understand the process so that you can decide what to do next.
Our law firm motto is we represent the people against the powerful. And the reason that's so important is because the powerful entities, the people that control money or power or whatever it is, often cut corners, do things only in their best interest. And it's important that when they mess up, when they do something that they shouldn't have done, something they could have prevented, that we have people that can stand up and say, you know what, no. We're not going to allow this. We won't accept that kind of conduct. We expect better from you. I had the opportunity to talk to one of my clients that I represented in another case. He said, look, there was bad water at Camp Lejeune, and I got really sick as a result of it. I know Camp Lejeune is a Marine Corps base. I know where it is in North Carolina. I don't know much about this toxic water, but I can look into it for you. And so I did. And what we found was astounding.
I went to Camp Lejeune as an 03-51 and spent 2 years there. You know, they cook all the food in water. You go to the field, you're drinking the water. Taking a shower, you're in the water. And then when you're brushing your teeth, of course, it's in your mouth. I had hairy cell leukemia in 2011. Didn't realize there was any contamination until I saw it in the news.
One of the most disturbing stories is this. They had a water treatment facility, but it could only treat so much water. But you know what else is at Camp Lejeune? There's 2 golf courses. And officers like to play golf on green grass. Let's take this treated water, let's make sure that course is green. And then the untreated water is what's left over, and that is what our Marines are drinking. The level of total ineptitude by the Department of Navy for the water at Camp Lejeune is unthinkable, it's unforgivable, and that's why we have the Camp Lejeune Justice Act.
I've been married to a stubborn Marine for 35 years.
If I file a lawsuit against the government, who am I betraying my brothers? How are they going to feel about it?
He got sick from the government. I've pushed him and pushed him to file claims, which he didn't want to do. You know, he felt bad. He felt like he was betraying the government. There's a fund set aside, the Camp Lejeune Act, to pay out the people that were affected by the water at Camp Lejeune.
Well, if I come forward for this Camp Lejeune Justice Act, am I hurting my brothers? Am I hurting current Marines? Am I taking away resources that would otherwise go to them? And the simple answer is no, right? The United States of America has a fund. It's called the Justice Fund. So that's what this is. This isn't taking resources away from the Department of Defense, not taking away from any of the armed branches. This is about trying to right a wrong because of what the government allowed to happen to these families.
Attention! If you or someone you know has been affected by the toxic water at Camp Lejeune, this message is for you. Many law firms say that they can help you with your toxic water claim, but there's only one law firm that's been getting Camp Lejeune clients money since 2023, AVA Law Group, a firm dedicated to getting you the justice and compensation you deserve right now. Don't delay. Call 1-800-777-4141 right now. That's 1-800-777-4141.
We gave Andrew's office a call. They walked us through what they needed. We sent them all the paperwork. Then as I got to know Andrew through the weekly updates, it just seemed like he would be frustrated with the government like everybody else is. And he was taking it personal.
The amount of money that they recover will never be enough to justify the treatment that they went through, the disease they suffered, maybe the death that the family had to endure. But it's accountability, it's about access to justice, and it's about being a champion of that individual or that family to raise them up. We ended up talking to a gentleman who served in the Marine Corps, was stationed at Camp Lejeune, had 3 tours of duties outside of this country. While he was out in these foreign war zones, in high risk to his life situations, his wife and 3 daughters were living on that base. Well, guess what? He's okay now, 3 decades later. You know who isn't? His wife and his 3 daughters. His wife is dead. 2 of his daughters have terminal cancer, and the 3rd one is fighting through her own illnesses.
There's a lot of sick people out there, and I'm thankful they found Andrew, because Andrew has really helped us.
We had one case where they offered $150,000. I said, no way, that's not enough.
Most lawyers would just say, yeah, send me your stuff and see what we can do, and if you ever get a payout, then they're going to take a lot of money. I was lucky with having Andrew, because him and his crew actually said, yeah, we can help you.
We were able to double their original offer from $150,000 to $300,000. In 2023, we did that on 3 separate cases. Lowball offers, fighting back, reasonable offers that our clients accepted.
Andrew went after, got us the bigger offer that we received. We're very happy. We're ready to get on with our lives now and enjoy our retirement, actually have money. We don't have to worry anymore, and we're just very thankful. We're thankful we found Andrew.
There are thousands of firms in this country that hold themselves out to be the law firm that represents Camp Lejeune Justice Act victims, but there's only one firm in the entire country that successfully recovered money damages and lived up to the promises it made the families that it represents in 2023. And that one firm, that's my firm. That's the AVA Law Group.